Lawyers for Governor Evers are asking a federal judge to make former President Donald Trump, a state Republican official, and their lawyers pay for the state's legal fees.
It stems from their lawsuits trying to overturn the November election. Capitol Bureau Chief A.J. Bayapor has you covered tonight on why the governor's lawyers say dismissing those cases is not enough.
While federal judges dismissed cases brought by former President Trump and the La Crosse County GOP chairman seeking to overturn the 2020 election, attorneys for Governor Evers on Wednesday filed briefs asking those judges to make Trump, the chairman, and their lawyers reimburse the state $250,000 in legal fees.
They were outlandish. They were preposterous. The conduct of the litigation itself was clownish.
Jeff Mandel writes in one of the briefs, instead of evidence and legal argument, plaintiff offered a tangled web of irrelevant and inaccurate conspiracy theories. Mandel argues the other side simply acted in bad faith by challenging things like drop boxes after the election when they knew of their existence well before Election Day.
Complaining about things that they had known about for months or in many cases years in advance of the election. They didn't file a lawsuit until their preferred candidate had lost.
UW-Madison law professor Howard Schwaber says, politics aside, the lack of evidence presented in such a high-profile case gives judges a chance to send a message.
Across the board, I would like to see federal judges be a bit more stringent on imposing sanctions on parties and attorneys who make what are obviously kind of showboating, frivolous, attention-grabbing lawsuits.
Mandel says he recommends an additional $250,000 in fines.
I would be happy to suggest to the court when it hears arguments on this that in each case, in addition, you take the amount of fees that the court is willing to award, and then there could be a sanction of that same amount.
Bill Feehan, the La Crosse County GOP chairman, did not immediately respond to our request for comment today. Mandel says this process will likely take several months to play out, but expects to have an answer by the end of the year.